Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I am outside of my apartment. And we are going to be doing a 3-year tour of my apartment. I have officially been here 3 years and almost 2 weeks as of the recording. Alright guys, as you can see, we're going in now. And off to the left of the entryway is the laundry. Nice high shelves. Yes, I know. Sorry about that. I hit the button with my hand as I was moving back. Ignore the gallon jugs of water. I will explain that later. And then just on the opposite end, we have bedroom number 1. And then we have supply closet with Christmas tree, Christmas decorations. Medical supplies that I have to have. My bathroom that I use. And then straight off of the bathroom is the kitchen. And then we go down a little ways and we have the living room. So, living room. And then right off from the living room, just opposite of the kitchen, we have a dining room. And then off of the dining room is my bedroom. Yeah, ignore that, the mess in here. And then what I did not show in the other bedroom is a very, very nice walk-in closet. And yeah, that pretty much will conclude the tour. Except for we're going to go back outside. I did not grab my key when I went outside, because I don't actually know where the key is. Yeah, I know.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so you may be wondering where I have been, because it has been, what, like 60 days since I last posted. So as you all know, in September, I was working at my local state fair. And then in October, I was dealing with some bathroom issues, some extreme diarrhea, and things of that sort. Finally got that figured out. I've had numerous UTIs, kidney infections. In fact, I am on antibiotics right now to get rid of one. And just a long list of things that have been going on. As some of you know, I live in Western North Carolina, and on October 27th, we were hit by Hurricane Helene, which knocked out my power for 2.5 days. And then from there, we have not had any clean drinking water. Or, no, it was September, I think. Hold on. Because coming up is the two month mark. So, and they are saying we still will not have any clean drinking water until this coming up week. Like Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere in there. So, with that, I just haven't been posting, and I haven't even been going live on TikTok up until this week. I started it back again on Thursday night. Sorry about the hand in the camera. And so, yeah, it's just been interesting moving forward, trying to find a new normal in disaster times. But with Thanksgiving coming up, I am going to be starting Vlogmas right after Thanksgiving. I will be putting my Christmas tree up. In fact, I will be putting the Christmas tree right over there in that corner where this table is at. Most likely. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I did not go out there. But there's nothing really changed out there but that table. Yeah, that table right there now belongs outside. Because I am in a power chair and the power chair is just way too big to have so much furniture in the apartment. So, yeah, I definitely prefer to Yeah, y'all can see how small the kitchen is. Really, you can see how small the entire apartment is, because it's literally that door behind that's open there is the laundry room. And that shows exactly how small this apartment is. So, but it is quite large in retrospect. All right, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and end the video there. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment some other video suggestions down below, especially for Vlogmas, please. And also, I forgot to add, I am now on a low FODMAP diet, so include some recipes for that if you know of any. And until the next one, I will see you later. And it will not be 60 days, I promise. Sorry, it's been a crazy time.